हरि ओम नमः सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्. Welcome you all to this program संस्कृत भाषा प्रवेश. संस्कृत भाषा प्रवेशायाः प्रवेशस्य गीता कृतवर्धनम् इति कक्षायाम् अद्य गीता आरतिं वयं पठामः. We welcome you all to this program of learning Bhagavad Gita in Sanskritam, learning with the meaning. And today we will do Gita Arati and then revision. This is a program organized by our Satsang Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. We are feeling very privileged to be part of it. Pratamam Lagu Prarthanaya Vayam Arabhamahe. We start with a prayer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Pathami Samskritam Nityam Vadami Samskritam Sada Jayami Samskritam Samyak Vande Samskrita Mataram Vande Samskrita Mataram. Astu Om Ityanena Shubharambam Kurmaha. सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम्. अस्तु. All you know the color coding for Mahaprana underline, Viktam, Visarga and Anuswara in blue, yellow and green. Also the colors of the letter changing to be in red. So we have done the Sampurna Bhagavad Gita Parayanam we have learned. Also the Gita Mahatmyam. Now we'll learn the Gita Arati today. Arati, there are two versions of Gita Arati. There are, one is the Sanskrit version. It is having only 4 slokas. The other one is the Hindi version, Devanagari. But even the Devanagari, we pronounce it like for example, mum, mama. We read it full as we read in Sanskritam only. We recite, and because Sanskrit version more or less is in amba. It comes. It will be very difficult for you and not much to learn. It's easy. You can easily pick it up once you know your Sanskritam. But today I am going to teach you in Devanagari script, the Gita Arati. So we'll start now from Sloka 1. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Gita Arati. Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Hariya Kamala Viharini. Hariya Kamala Viharini Sundara Supunite. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Now, the line which I have put at number 2 and in yellow highlighted, that has to go as 2 times. Hariya Kamala Viharini. So the meaning is Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Oh, Bhagavad Gita is a Mata. So, Hari Hiya, you are praised by Lord Vishnu, who is in the lotus. He praises you, and you are very beautiful, Sundara, and you are very pure also, Supunita. Supunita is very beautiful, pure. Beautiful and pure you are. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. So, this is how the song goes. Yes.
Padma Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. जय भगवत गीते। ओम जय भगवत ओम जय भगवत गीते। हरिः कमल विहारिणि हरिः कमल विहारिणि सुंदर सुपुनीते। ओम जय भगवत गीते।
Uttam Bhagini, only this Bhagavad only, Hindi is Bhagavad, but we have to say Bhagavad, Bhagavad.
भगवत
Like you said, Kamala Viharini, no? Harihiya. So Harihi, it is not he, it's not Kamal, it is Kamala. You said it correctly only. He me Bhagavad Gita.
हाँ भगवत गीते।
Bhagavad Gita.
हाँ
Dakaram.
हाँ भगवत गीते।
Correct. Yeah, next person.
सपना भगिनी।
नमस्ते भगिनी।
Namaste.
ओम जय भगवद्गीते मया। ओम जय भगवद्गीते हरिः कमल विहारिणि हरिः कमल विहारिणि सुंदर सुपुनीते। ओम जय भगवद्गीते।
Bhagavatam Bhagini. So she's very pure and very beautiful. I am praying to you. Karma sumarma prakashini kama sakti hara tatvajnana vikashini vidya brahma para. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Here, karma, all our karma and sumarma, all the secrets of life, you are only prakashini. You are only making us understand. And kama asakti para. So all our desires also, you are only able to fulfill. I mean, you are able to kill it. Kama asakti hara. You are only killing the desires. You are teaching us tattva jnana. Tattva jnana vikashini. You are only spreading. Vikashini is vikasate means blooming. To make us know the spiritual path and the wisdom of godly, which is wisdom, and Brahmapara Vidya also. The teaching which is beyond Brahma. That also you are teaching us. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita teaches us everything. So we are praying to Bhagavad Gita as a goddess herself. Karma Sumarma Prakashini. Victim there. Sumarma Prakashini. Kama Sakti Hara Tattvajnana Vikashini Vidya Brahma Para. Must say Brahma, not Brahma. Brahma Para. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita.
इलवर्सी भगिनी। इलवर्सी भगिनी।
नमस्ते भगिनी।
Namaste. Karma.
कर्म ஒரு நிமிஷம் भगिनी। कर्म सुमर्म प्रहाशिनी कामासक्तिहरा तत्त्वज्ञान विहाशिनी विद्या ब्रह्म परा। ओम जय भगवत गीते।
बहु उत्तमं भगिनी, उत्तमं।
धन्यवाद।
रंजनी भगिनी।
कर्म सुमर्म प्रकाशिनी कामासक्तिहरा तत्त्वज्ञान विकाशिनी विद्या ब्रह्म परा। ओम जय भगवद गीते।
ओम जय जय भगवद।
ओम जय भगवद गीते।
उत्तमं। So Nischala Bhakti Vidhayini. Nischala means very pure. Nischala Bhakti. Chalana means movement without disturbing, distraction. She gives us Vidhayini. Nirmala Malahari. So malam hari. So all the bad things, thoughts like mala in our, she clears our body, harati and nirmala. She makes our body pure and clean. Sharana rahasya. It's not rahasya, it's rahasya. Sharana rahasya pradayini. So Sharana rahasya pradayini. Sabhavidhi Sukhakari. So she makes everybody happy, very happy. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Nishchala Bhakti Vidhayini Nirmala Malahari Sharana Rahasya Pradayini Sharana Rahasya Pradayini Sabhavidhi Sukhakari. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Sukha is Mahaprana and Pra is Dittam. Yes, next person.
Veerbala Ahuja Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Nischala Bhakti Vidhayini Nirmala Malahari Sharana Rahasya Pradayini Sharana Rahasya Pradayini Sabhavidhi Sukhakari. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita.
Uttamam Bhagini. Next person.
Padma Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Nishchala Bhakti Vidhayini Nirmala Malahari Sharana Rahasya Pradayini Sharana Rahasya Pradayini Sabhavidhi Sukhakari. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita.
Bahuttamam Bhagini. So now Raga Dvesha Vidarini. She removes all the Raga and love and hatred. Both she removes. Karini Moda Sada. By making us free from the worries of love and hate, he makes us Moda, happy, all Sada Sarvada. Karini Moda Sada. Bhava Bhaya Harini Tarini. So Bhayam she removes and she makes us to be Tarini Bhava Bhaya. Bhaya Bhava means she makes us free from fear, makes us fearless. And Harini removes the Bhaya and Tarini. Parama Ananda Prada. She is the one who makes us cross this ocean. Tarini means to tarati, to swim across the Bhayam in this world. So Paramananda. So after crossing that Bhavam, she makes us Paramananda Prada Bhava. So she makes us to be happy in Paramananda, always happy with her. So she is the one who makes us swim across the worldly difficulties, removing all the fear, removes the hurdle, and then makes us very happy all the time. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Ragadvesha Vidarini Karini Moda Sada Bhava Bhaya Harini Tarini Bhava Bhaya Harini Tarini Paramananda Prada. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita.
Sapna Bhagini.
sorry. Ragadvesha Vidarini Karini Moda Sada Bhava Bhaya Harini Tarini Bhava Bhaya Harini Tarini Paramananda Prada. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita.
Uttamam Bhagini.
Ilavarsi Bhagini. Ilavarsi Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Raga Dvesha. Okay.
Diktam
Good.
Raga
Ragadvesha Vidarini Karni Muda Sada भवभयहारिणि तारिणि भवभयहारिणि तारिणि परमानन्दप्रदा ॐ जय जग भगवद्गीते।
Uttamam. Very good. Now, Asura Bhava Vinashini. If you have any demonic qualities, that Bhava she removes from us. The hatred, anger, Kamam, Krodam, Balam, everything, Darpam, everything she removes. All the Asura Bhava, Vinashini, she destroys them totally. Nashini Tamarajani. Even our tamas, whatever is our tamasic nature also, rajasic and tamasic nature, she removes. That means, but ultimately we become very sattvic. Okay. Daivi Sadguna. So Sadguna. Once you remove your rajas and tamas, the left behind is only the Daivi, the divine Sadguna, Sadhik Guna Eva Atrasti. So she gives us, spreads us with Gunadayini. She gives us, she distributes Sadguna to everybody. Hari Rasika Sajani. So Sajani. Sajani means a good person. And Hari Rasika. She makes us very beloved to Hari. We are all loved by Hari, Ye Krishna. So Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Asura Bhava Vinashini Nashini Tamarajani Daivi Sadgunadayini Daivi Sadgunadayini Hari Rasika Sajani Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Ranjini Bhagini.
आसुरभावविनाशिनी नाशिनी तमरजनी दैवी सद्गुणदायिनी हरिरसिका सजनी ॐ जय भगवद्गीते।
बहुत Bhagini.
Kirbala Huja Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Asura Bhava Vinashini Nashini Tamarajani Daivi Sadgunadayini Harirasika Sajani Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita.
So Samata and Tyaga Sikhavani. So she teaches Samata, how to be treating everyone as equal. Samata, Tyaga, how to be renounce our actions and the phala of the actions. Bhagavad Gita is teaching us. Hari Mukha ki Bani. So she makes us always focus through Hari Mukha towards Hari. So by making us think of others as equal and by renouncing the action, she always teaches us how to always keep focused with Hari Mukha. Andar Mukha means Antar Mukha, inside ours. Looking into you is Antar Mukha. Ado Mukha means looking down, Niche. Antar Mukha, Hari Mukha. Hari Mukha means towards something. Hari Mukha towards Hari. Mukha means towards. Sakala Shastra ki Swamini. She is the teacher of, the leader of, Swamin of Sakala Shastra. So all the Shastras, all Atra, Aya, Kale, 64 Shastras, she is, Bhagavad Gita is the Swamini. Sakala Shastra ki Swamini, Shrutiyon ki Rani. Now, of all the songs, the Deva Gita, divine song of God is Bhagavad Gita. Shrutiyon ki Rani, she is the Rani of all the Shrutis. Veda is a Shruti. So Veda, the song form of Veda, she is the queen of all the Vedas. So that is Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Samata Tyaga Sikhavani Hari Mukha ki Bani Sakala Shastra ki Swamini Shrutiyon ki Rani Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Padma Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. समता त्याग सिखावनी हरि मुख की बानी सकल शास्त्र की स्वामिनी, सकल शास्त्र की स्वामिनी,
सकल ह्रस्व सकल शास्त्र की दीर्घ
together.
सकल शास्त्र की स्वामिनी
सकल शास्त्र की स्वामिनी, सकल शास्त्र की स्वामिनी, श्रुतियों की रानी, ओम जय भगवत गीते।
बहु उत्तमं भगिनि बहु उत्तमं
सपना भगिनी
oh no
समता त्याग सिखावनी, समता त्याग नहीं, the tune I have
no well I'll start again only this
समता
line is written
समता त्याग सिखावनी, हरिमुख की बानी, सकल शास्त्र की स्वामिनी, सकल शास्त्र की स्वामिनी, श्रुतियों की रानी, ओम जय भगवत गीते।
उत्तमं भगिनि only the yellow highlight will be in 2 times
हाँ।
then दया सुधा बरसावनी मात कृपा कीजे हरिपद प्रेम दान कर हरिपद प्रेम दान कर अपनो कर लीजे ओम जय भगवत गीते यह दया कृपा बरसावनी so daya is full of daya and kripa and barasavani matu kripa like just like mother she's giving please give me bless me like a mother you be my mother so here that is what in Sanskrit also amba jaya bhagavad gita amba jaya so bhagavad gita we take to her as our amba how we love why amba why not mat pita only the mother will never be scared of mother so whatever teachings bhagavad gita says we take it like the mother giving to the children so that is why most of the times if you remember in bhagavad gita he call him Kaunteya Partha, Kaunteya Partha. Partha is Pita's son. Kaunteya is Kunti's son. So, the way the mother and child relationship, like that our Bhagavad Gita is to us. Like that, the Bhagavad Gita gives us the advice like the mother gives to the child without any ambiguity. Daya, the Purana Daya, the Kripaya Daya, that will be, that is immeasurable. So, Daya, Sudha, परसावनी मातु कृपा की जय हरिपद प्रेम दान कर हरिपद प्रेम दान कर अपनो कर ली जय ओम जय भगवत गीते
इलवरसी भगिनी
दया सुधा पर सावनी मात कृपा की जय हरिपद प्रेम दान कर हरिपद प्रेम दान कर अपनो कर ली जय ओम जय भगवत गीते
पूंगड़ी भगिनी
नमस्ते भगिनी आं भगिनी
नमस्ते
दया सुधा परसावनी मात कृपा की जय हरिपद प्रेम दान कर
प्रेम हरिपद प्रेम दान कर
हरिपद प्रेम दान कर अपनो कर लीजे ओम श्री भगवत
ओम
गीते
जय भग जय ओम जय
ओम
भग
जय ओम जय श्री
नो
भगवत
श्री
गीते
कड़ियादंगा ओम जय भगवत गीते
ओम जय भगवत गीते
so now the first sloka we are repeating again 2 times I will you listen to me carefully first time the regular speed and the second time in this little faster jaya bhagavad gite ॐ जय भगवद्गीते हरिः कमलविहारिणि हरिः कमलविहारिणि सुन्दरसुपुनीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते जय भगवद्गीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते हरिः कमलविहारिणि हरिः कमलविहारिणि सुन्दरसुपुनीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते
रंजनी भगिनी
जय भगवद्गीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते हरिः कमलविहारिणि हरिः कमलविहारिणि सुन्दरसुपुनीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते जय भगवद्गीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते हरिः कमलविहारिणि हरिः कमलविहारिणि सुन्दरसुपुनीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते
उत्तम भगिनी
वीर बलाहुजा भगिनी
यस भगिनी ॐ जय भगवद्गीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते हरिः कमलविहारिणि हरिः कमलविहारिणि सुन्दरसुपुनीते ॐ जय भगवद्गीते
First one.
First one, which
You
one?
have to complete it. First, Jaya Bhagavad
No,
Gita.
second time. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Harihi Kamala Viharini. Harihi Kamala Viharini. Sundara Supunite. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita. Om Jaya Bhagavad Gita.
That is why you have to complete. Last sloka, after the seventh sloka, after this Daya Sudha, you should take same speed of the Daya Sudha. Then second time you pass the last line 1 or 2 times very slowly and you complete. Now I'm also going to teach you the Shanti Mantra because all of us are hesitant. So I want to teach that. Om Purnamada Purnamidam. So Purnamada Purnamidam. Who is ready?
I'll chant.
Shall I?
Yeah, please.
पद्मा
Om Purnam.
You repeat, you follow me 2 times.
Yeah, okay.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam. One
Okay.
more. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam.
Purnat Purnamudachyate.
Purnat Purnamudachyate. Purnat Purnamudachyate.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam. Purnat Purnamudachyate.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam. Purnat Purnamudachyate. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam. Purnat Purnamudachyate.
Purnasya Purnamadaya.
Purnasya Purnamadaya. Purnasya Purnamadaya.
Purnameva Vashishyate.
Purnameva Vashishyate. Purnameva Vashishyate.
Purnasya Purnamadaya. Purnameva Vashishyate.
Purnasya Purnamadaya. Purnameva Vashishyate. Purnasya Purnamadaya. पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
उत्तमं. Now the next person.
सपना भगिनी
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
उत्तमं. One more person.
इलवर्सी भगिनी
यस् भगिनि। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. No, या கிடையாது.
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
उत्तमं भगिनी.
धन्यवाद।
जयन्ती भगिनी also.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So now this completes the teaching of our Gita, Bhagavad Gita, the Mahatmyam and the Aarti. Now we'll do revision of chapter 18, 41 to end, and we'll do 3 shlokas per person, one by one. Om Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Start.
ॐ श्री भगवद्गीता
Srimad. Srimad.
श्रीमद् श्रीमद् भगवद्गीता। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ अष्टादशोऽध्यायः मोक्षसंन्यासयोगः।
From 41 sloka.
41
Brahmana Kshatriya
ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय विशाम ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय विशाम सूत्राणां च परन्तप कर्माणि प्रविभक्तानि स्वभाव प्रभवै गुणैः शमोदमस्तभः शांतिर शमोदमस्तभश्चौचं शान्तिरार्जवमेव च ज्ञानौ विज्ञानमास्तिक्यं ब्रह्म कर्म स्वभावजम् शौर्यं तेजो धृतिर्दाक्ष्यं युद्धे चाप्यपलायनं दानवीश्वर भावश्च क्षात्रं कर्म स्वभावजम्।
Next person.
रंजनी भगिनी
कृषि गौरक्ष्य वाणिज्यं वैश्यकर्म स्वभावजम् परिचर्यात्मकं कर्म शूद्रस्यापि स्वभावजम्। स्वे स्वे कर्मण्यभिरतः संसिद्धिं लभते नरः स्वकर्मनिरतः सिद्धिं यथा विन्दति तच्छृणु यतः प्रवृत्तिर्भूतानां येन सर्वमिदं ततं स्वकर्मणा तमभ्यर्च्य सिद्धिर्विन्दति मानवः।
Next.
Virbala Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वभावनियतं कर्म कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम् सहजं कर्म कौन्तेय सदोषमपि न त्यजेत् सर्वारम्भा हि दोषेण धूमेनाग्निरिवावृताः असक्तबुद्धिः सर्वत्र जितात्मा विगतस्पृहः नैष्कर्म्यसिद्धिमपरमां सन्न्यासेनाधिगच्छति।
Next.
Padma Bhagini.
सिद्धिं प्राप्तो यथा ब्रह्म तथाप्नोति निबोध मे समासेनैव कौन्तेय निष्ठा ज्ञानस्य या परा बुद्ध्या विशुद्धया युक्तः धृत्यात्मानन्नियम्य च शब्दादीन शब्दादीन् विषयास्त्यक्त्वा रागद्वेषौ व्युदस्य च
Repeat the sloka.
बुद्धया बुद्ध्या विशुद्धया युक्तः धृत्यात्मानन्नियम्य च शब्दादीन शब्दादीन् विषयास्त्यक्त्वा रागद्वेषौ व्युदस्य च विविक्तसेवी लघ्वाशी यतवाक्कायमानसः ध्यानयोगपरो नित्यं वैराग्यं समुपाश्रितः।
Sapna Bhagini.
अहङ्कारं बलं दर्पं कामं क्रोधं परिग्रहं विमुच्य निर्ममः शान्तः ब्रह्मभूयाय कल्पते। ब्रह्मभूत
Do the three slokas together.
Okay. बुद्ध्या विशुद्धया युक्तः धृत्यात्मानन्नियम्य च शब्दादीन् विषयान् त्यक्त्वा रागद्वेषौ व्युदस्य च विविक्तसेवी लघ्वाशी यतवाक्कायमानसः ध्यानयोगपरो नित्यं वैराग्यं समुपाश्रितः। अहङ्कारं बलं दर्पं कामं क्रोधं परिग्रहं विमुच्य निर्ममः शान्तः ब्रह्मभूयाय कल्पते।
Uttam Bhagini. Next.
Leversi Bhagini.
explain. ब्रह्मभूतः प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिर्लभते पराम् भक्त्या मामभजानाति सा
भक्त्या मामभि
भक्त्या मामभिजानाति यावान्यश्चास्मि तत्त्वतः ततो मां तत्त्वतो ज्ञात्वा विशते तदनन्तरं सर्वकर्माण्यपि सदा कुर्वाणो मद्व्यपाश्रयः मत्प्रसादात्तवाप्नोति शाश्वतं पदमव्ययम्.
பூங்குடி பகினி.
आं भगिनि चेतसा सर्वकर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः
இருக்கக்கூடாது மயி சந்நியஸ்ய
சரி भगिनि चेतसा सर्वकर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः बुद्धियोगमुपाश्रित्य मच्चित्तः सततं भव मच्चित्तः सर्वदुर्गाणि मत्प्रसादात् तरिष्यसि अथ चेत्त्वमहङ्कारात् न श्रोष्यसि विनङ्क्ष्यसि न श्रोष्यसि विनङ्क्ष्यसि यदहङ्कारमाश्रित्य न योत्स्य इति मन्यसे मिथ्यैषौ व्यवसायास्ते प्रकृतिस्त्वान् नियोक्ष्यति
मिथ्यैषौ व्यवसायस्ते प्रकृतिस्त्वान् नियोक्ष्यति
मिथ्यैषौ व्यवसायस्ते प्रकृतिस्त्वान् नियोक्ष्यति
ரஞ்சினி பகினி.
स्वभावजेन कौन्तेय निबद्धस्वेन कर्मणा कर्तुं नेच्छसि यन्मोहात् करिष्यस्य वशोऽपि तत् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशेऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्.
வீர்பலா பகினி.
इति ते ज्ञानमाख्यातं गुह्याद् गुह्यतरं मया विमृश्यैतदशेषेण यथेच्छसि तथा कुरु सर्वगुह्यतमं भूयः शृणु मे परमौ वचः इष्टोऽसि मे दृढमिति ततो वक्ष्यामि ते हितम् मन्मना भव मद्भक्तः मद्याजिमान् नमस्कुरु मामे वैश्यसि सत्यन्ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे.
भगिनी मध्य जी is dirgha, then mame is dirgha, satijane dirgha, so no diktam. Can you repeat it again?
मन्मना भव मद्भक्तः मद्याजीमान् नमस्कुरु मामे वैश्यसि सत्यं ते प्रतिजा मामे वैश्यसि सत्यं ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे।
पद्मा भगिनी
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः इदं ते नातपस्काय न भक्ताय कदाचन அதான் அங்கேயும் இடிக்கிறது பார்த்தேன். ஓகே, இதந்தே நாதபஸ்காய न भक्ताय कदाचन न चाशुश्रुष्वे न चाशुश्रुषवे वाच्यं न च मायोऽभ्यसूयति यै इमं परमं गुह्यं मद्भक्तेष्वभिधास्यति भक्तिं मयि परां कृत्वा मामे वैष्यत्य संशयः.
सपना भगिनी
You also take your chance, Ranjini Bhagini.
ओके भगिनी
Jayanti Bhagini.
न च तस्मान् मनुष्येषु कश्चिन्मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्मात् अन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि अध्येष्यते च य इमं धर्म्यं संवादमावयोः ज्ञानयज्ञेन तेनाहम् इष्टस्यामिति मे मतिः श्रद्धावाननसूयश्च शृणुयादपि यो नरः सोऽपि मुक्तः शुभान् लोकान् प्राप्नुयात् पुण्यकर्मणाम्. सपना भगिनी
कच्चिदेतच्छ्रुतं पार्थ त्वयैकाग्रेण चेतसा कच्चिदेतच्छ्रुतं पार्थ त्वयैकाग्रेण चेतसा कच्चिदज्ञानसम्मोहः प्रनष्टस्ते धनञ्जय. अर्जुन उवाच नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव. सञ्जय उवाच इत्यहं वासुदेवस्य पार्थस्य च महात्मनः संवादमिममश्रौषम् अद्भुतं रोमहर्षणम्.
लवसी भगिनी
सञ्जय उवाच
Vyasa
व्यासप्रसादाच्छ्रुतवान् एतद्गुह्यतमं परम्
Guhya tamam illa maham.
एतद्गुह्यमहं परम् योगैयोगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् साक्षात् कथयत स्वयं राजन् संस्मृत्य संवादमिममद्भुतम् केशवार्जुनयोः पुण्यम् हृष्यामि च मुहुर्मुहुः
Next.
कश्- आ,
Just
Pongudi
together.
Bhagini.
2 slokas together.
Pongudi Bhagini.
आं भगिनि तच्च संस्मृत्य संस्मृत्य रूपमध्यद्भुतं हरेः विस्मयो मे महान् राजन् हृष्यामि च पुनः पुनः यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवानिधिर्मधिर्मम
So this sloka, the 2 slokas must repeat 3 times when you do Parayana.
Ranjini Bhagini.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम अष्टादशोऽध्यायः। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः।
Oh, iti अष्टादशोऽध्यायं सम्पूर्णम्. Om Tat Sat. இது பாராயணம் இது முடிச்ச உடனே தர்மக்ஷேத்ரே சொல்லிடணும். சரியா? தர்மக்ஷேத்ரே குருக்ஷேத்ரே சமவேதாயுத்சவः மாமகः பாண்டவश्चैव கிமகுர்வத சஞ்சய. Any Paranam, even Narayaniam, you must come back to after 100 sloka, first chapter, first sloka, you must always say. That's because it only says that you are not stopped, you are going to continue. Okay? That is how it is said. Okay, now we'll do Mahatmyam also, we'll revise today. Om Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha, Atha Gita Mahatmyam. Start.
Irbala Huja Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
2 slokas. Or 3.
Om Gita Mahatmayam Dharo Vacha Mahatmyam. Bhagini, before this, you have one shloka, which is not given here.
Not required, not required.
Okay. Dharo Vacha Bhagavan Parameshana Bhaktiravyavicharini Prarabdham Bhujayamanasya Katham Bhavati He Prabho. Shri Vishnuruvacha Prarabdham Bhujyamano Hi Gītābhyāsaratas sada Samuktasya sukhi loke karmananopalipyate mahapāpādipāpāni gītādhyanam karoti chet kvachit sparshanna kurvanti nalinīdalamambuvata.
Padma Bhagini.
गीताया पुस्तकं यत्र यत्र गीताया पुस्तकै यत्र पाठः प्रवर्तते तत्र सर्वाणि तीर्थानि प्रयागादीनि तत्र वै सर्वे देवाश्च ऋषयः योगिनः पन्न गाच्यये सर्वे देवाश्च ऋषयः योगिनः पन्नगाश्च ये गोपाला गोपिका वापि नारदोद्धव पार्षदैः सहायो जायते शीघ्रं यत्र गीता प्रवर्तते. नेक्स्ट சொல்லவா?
சொல்லுங்க.
यत्र गीता विचारश्च पठनं पाठनं श्रुतं तत्राहं निश्चितं पृथ्वी निवसामि सदैव हि.
सपना भगिनी. सपना भगिनी.
गीताश्रयेऽहं तिष्ठामि गीता मे चोत्तमं गृहम् गीता ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य त्रिलोकान् पालयाम्यहम्.
भगिनी, गीता ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य.
गीता ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य त्रिलोकान् पालयाम्यहम्. गीता मे परमा विद्या ब्रह्मरूपा न संशयः अर्थमात्राक्षरा नित्या स्वानिर्वाच्य पदात्मिका चिदानन्देन कृष्णेन प्रोक्ता स्वमुखतोऽर्जुनं वेदत्रयी परानन्दा तत्त्वार्थज्ञानसंयुता.
लर्सी भगिनी.
योऽष्टादशञ्च नित्यं नरो निश्चलमानसः ज्ञानसिद्धिं च लभते ततो याति परं पदम्. पाठे समग्रे सम्पूर्णे ततोऽर्थं पाठमाचरेत् तदा गोदानजं पुण्यं लभते नात्र संशयः. त्रिभागं पठमानस्तु गंगा स्नानफलं लभेत् षडं सञ्जपमानस्तु सोमयागफलं लभेत्.
पूंगुडी भगिनी.
आं भगिनि. एगात्यायन्तु यो नित्यं पठते भक्तिसंयुक्तः रुद्रलोकमवाप्नोति गुणो भूत्वा वसेत् चिरम्. गणो भूत्वा वसेत् चिरम्. अध्यायं स्वलोकपादौ वा अध्यायं तन भगिनी.
अध्यायं श्लोक स्वलोक சொன்னீங்க.
श्लोक अध्यायं श्लोकपादौ वा नित्यैः पठते नरतायावत् मन्वन्तरौ वसुन्धरे. गीताया श्लोकदशकं सप्तपञ्चचतुष्टयं तदर्थौ वा श्लोकाणायः पठेन्नरः.
இதுல சப்த பஞ்ச சதுஷ்டயம் சொல்லுங்க.
सप्तपञ्च सप्तपञ्चशतुष्टयम्
correct.
द्वौ त्रीणि तदर्थौ वा
Ranjini Bhagini.
लोकानायः पठेन्नरः।
Can you repeat this please sloka again, Bhagini? There was a lag. Ranjini Bhagini.
Ranjini Bhagini.
अम्बक् गीताया श्लोकदशकं सप्तपञ्चचतुष्टयम् द्वौ त्रीणेकं तदर्थौ वा श्लोकानायः पठेन्नरः
Uttamam.
चन्द्रलोकमवाप्नोति वर्षाणामयुतं ध्रुवम् गीतापाठसमायुक्तः मृतो मानुषतां व्रजेत्।
Repeat
गीता गीताया श्लोकदशकं सप्तपञ्चचतुष्टयम् द्वौ त्रीणेकं तदर्थौ वा श्लोकानायः पठेन्नरः चन्द्रलोकमवाप्नोति वर्षाणामयुतं ध्रुवम् गीतापाठसमायुक्तः मृतो मानुषतां व्रजेत्।
Jayanti Bhagini.
गीताभ्यासं पुनः कृत्वा लभते मुक्तिमुत्तमाम् गीतेत्युच्चारसंयुक्तः म्रियमाणो गतिर्लभेत् गीतार्थश्रवणासक्तः महापापयुतोऽपि वा वैकुण्ठं समवाप्नोति विष्णुना सह मोदते गीतार्थं ध्यायते नित्यं कृत्वा कर्माणि भूरिशः जीवन्मुक्तः स विज्ञेयः देहान्ते परमं पदम्।
Uttamam Bhagini. Next.
बीर्बलाहुजा भगिनी.
Yes, Bhagini. गीतायाः पठनं कृत्वा
Bhagini. Gita Masritya.
sorry गीतामाश्रित्य
Bahavaha.
बहवः भूभुजो जनकादयः निरधूतकल्मषालोके गीतायातः परं पदम् गीतायाः पठनं कृत्वा महात्मयन्नैव यः पठेत् वृथा पाठो भवेत् तस्य श्रम एव ह्युदाहितः एतन्माहात्म्य संयुक्तम्
Mahatmya Sayuktam. Mahatmaya Kadla Bhagini. Mahatmya. Mahatmya.
एतन्माहात्म्य संयुक्तं गीताभ्यासं करोति यः स तत्फलं वाप्नोति दुर्लभां गतिमाप्नुयात्।
पद्मा भगिनी.
सूत उवाच माहात्म्यमेतद् माहात्म्यमेतद् गीतायाः मया प्रोक्तं सनातनं गीतान्ते च पठेद्यस्तु यदुक्तं तत्फलं लभेत्
इति
इति
श्रीवाराहपुराणे
इति श्रीवाराहपुराणे श्रीगीतामाहात्म्यं सम्पूर्णं
माहात्म्यं
इति श्रीवाराहपुराणे श्रीगीतामाहात्म्यं सम्पूर्णं सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु ॐ तत्सत्
Now we have completed revision, so we will
Agni,
we'll do the
Bhagini, there are 6 more shlokas to this.
no
What do we-
that is not there in Varaha Purana, and
Oh.
Sitara Mahadaya taught us this only. So we have done revision of 18 shlokas, and people, because I have not learned it, I don't want to teach you wrong also. Okay, whatever I am taught from my guru, I am passing it on to you. Okay, ma? So who is this prayer we'll do later. We'll do the Griha Pata. Who's ready? Come on.
Agni, I have not done it. It's away.
Start. Time up.
शमो तमस्तपः शौचं क्षान्तिरार्जवमेव च then शौर्यं तेजो धृतिर्दाक्ष्यं युद्धे चाप्यपलायनम् श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात्
Adharman dharmamiti.
Adharmam, where is it?
Dharmamitiya. Anyate.
तमसावृता
Ahankaram.
अहंकारं बलं
बलं
दर्पं
दर्पं कामं क्रोधं परिग्रहं
What is the meaning? Brahmanas and Kshatriya. What are the differences?
peacefulness, self-control, austerity, purity, tolerance, honesty, knowledge, wisdom, and religiousness are natural qualities by which Brahmanas work.
Very good.
Heroism, power, determination, resourcefulness, courage in battle, generosity, and leadership are the natural qualities of work for Kshatriyas.
So you can always imagine a priest to be a Brahmin and a king to be a Kshatriya. Okay. In between the two will be Raja Rishi. They are Rishis, they also guide the king. Then explain what Bhagavan says. Naishkarmya siddhim paramam.
he whose intellect is unattached everywhere, who has subdued his self, from whom desire has fled, he by renunciation attains a supreme state of freedom from action.
That is called actionless Naishkarmyam. Actionless siddhi. Explain karma yoga. As per Sadharma. Bhagavan says, Shreya Sadharmo Vigunaga. Says, do your own duty, right? Sloka 45 to 49. That's the gist of it. Anybody can tell me.
Keenly devoted to his own natural duty.
Very good. Then?
Worshipping through his own natural duties.
Then? Svabhava niyatam karma. Whatever is the nature of karma ascribed to him in this birth. The born as a sevak, do a sevak duty. The born as a leader, must do a leader's duty.
Performing the duty of
Svabhava niyatam karma, you must do it. And all the any karma will have a dosha. No karma is without dosha. So if you cook food also, some bacteria may be killed. But it is all okay as long as you leave everything to God. That is called karma yoga. So Swadharma, you do your duty, and whatever dosha comes, I will take care. What is Vedantic meditation? Anybody? Jnana Yoga. What is Vedantic meditation? Buddhya Vishuddhya Yuktaha. You must be in your intellect to be focusing on purity of your mind and intellect, and Shabdadi, you will take yourself away from all the Shabda. Go to an isolation place and start meditating. Only Jnana, you think only of God, and you don't have any interest of or hatred for the surrounding. And then you don't see anybody else. You don't go with anybody else. You be on your own isolation, and even your mind, word, thought, everything should be aloof. Aloof, must be aloof. And that time, every day you do this, you develop your vairagyam. Then that is called as steadfastness. You try to reach God. That is the Jnana Yoga or Vedantic meditation. So you should not be sitting in front of a crowd and doing it in the cinema theater. You must isolate yourself from the surrounding. All your indriyas should be isolated. Even after everything is isolated, your mind will not be like a heart should be running towards objects of interest. So that control, that heart also, that mind also, Chetana. Then you sit in a place and think of focusedly, think only of Nishtha Karoto. That will be a perfection of Vedantic meditation. Split the word. Who can do that?
Sarva karmani sarva plus karmani plus api.
Correct.
Mat prasadada vapnoti. Mat plus prasadat plus avapnoti.
Bhagini, can you please scroll up the questions?
Why?
I'm not able to see the questions. Can you please scroll up? No, scroll down, sorry.
No, I can't scroll down because otherwise I have to come out of.
Okay.
Yadahankaram ashritya. Yad plus ahankaram plus ashritya. Buddhir yogam upashritya. Buddhir yogam plus upashritya.
Buddhihi yogam.
Buddhihi plus yogam plus upashritya. Mukta shubha lokan. Muktaha plus shubhaha plus lokan.
Correct.
Vyasa prasadat shrutavan. Vyasa plus prasadat plus shrutavan.
Correct. The qualification required to receive this knowledge. So what is in? Don't give it to anybody, not a paskaya. Don't give it to people who don't believe me, who don't give it. Shloka 67. You remember that? After Sarva Dharma. Yadante nada paskaya. Na bhaktaya kadachana.
Nacha shushrusha ve vachyam. Nacha mayo bhrasuyati.
Explain the benefits of listening, studying, and teaching Gita. What does Bhagavan say that? 68 to 71. Anybody can just give a gist of it?
By this, the one who is into it, like who is learning and practicing, this will achieve the Supreme, the Lord Himself.
Correct. So keep doing your karma only, but then that will reach you to Bhakti Mayi Param Kritva Ame Vaishyasya Samshayah. There is no doubt. You do your work, but keep thinking of me all the time. Okay. Nacha tasmat manusheshu kaschit me priyakrittavaha bhavita nacha me tasmat anya priyakarubi. Somebody is able to be very interested in me whenever they do anything. So that those people will be more dearer to me also. Then he says, Adhyeshyate cha imam. This dharmyam, you keep discussing among friends, whatever is between us, you have to keep spreading to everyone. That jnana yajna, that is the tapas. You are like, if I have learned about Gita, I have to pass it on to you. So that is the tapas I do. The jnana yajnena, the knowledge is spread from me to you, from you to somebody, from them to somebody else. that tapas itself will make me dearer to you. That is what he says. That is ishtasyamiti me mati. So that is the listening, studying or teaching. Keep on doing whatever little you know, you teach others. Let them take it forward. That way I will be more dearer to me. So what is Bhagavan's conclusion of guidance? Hmm? 63 and 64 sloka. He says, my nashtaha abhavat, mohaha nashtaha abhavat. He says, no, before the sarva dharma, he tells, sve karmanya, sorry, not that.
Vidite jnanamakhyatam.
So this secret I have. So Bhagavan says, because you are so dear to me, I have given this to you, and you, whatever you want, you do. He says, Muchat yate achasi tada kuru. Do whatever you want to do. He says. But then he says, Sarva bhuyatamam bhuyaha shrume paramam vachaga. So listen to me. Like a mother tells a child, this is good for you. I'm telling you. Want to believe me, you do it. Otherwise, you do whatever you want. The same way Bhagavan says, if you are really dear to me, then do whatever I say. Ishtosime dridamiti tato vakshami tehitam. That is why I'm telling you, because I like you. I know you are very strong-hearted. I am telling you. I am telling you this guidance because you are capable of carrying it forward. So do it. So Bhagavan is teaching us Bhagavad Gita because he knows we'll take it forward. Okay. So explain the sloka. Nashto moha smritir labdha.
Here Arjun says that my delusion has gone away by your words. Yeah. And I have gained.
I have gained my memory by your mercy.
Yeah, because of your blessing and guidance, because of your Parama Kripa only, Nashto Moha Smriti Radha Tat Prasadat Mayachita.
All my doubts are gone.
Yes, Tito me. Gata Sandhya. I am now standing here giving away all my doubts. Tito me Gata Sandhya. I am standing here losing everything in life. Like he says, I am standing here losing all my doubts.
Yeah, and I'll do what you say, as you say. Karishye vachanantava.
Yeah, Karishye vachanantava. That is the last sentence spoken by Arjuna in this whole of Bhagavad Gita. Sitosmi gata sandeha karishye vachanantava. It carries a lot of meaning. This is complete surrender. I am standing here without any thought, without any other thought other than you, Krishna. Sitosmi gata sandeha. Karishye, I will do. Vachanam tava vachanam. Your word will I will totally follow. All of us should follow Bhagavad Gita. That is why this sloka is very important. And splitting the sandhi, can you split?
Arjunayoho punyam. Arjunayoh plus punyam. Sri Vijayo bhutihi. Sri plus Vijayaha plus bhutihi.
Shri Vijayoho bhutihi.
Vijayoho.
Vijayoho bhutihi.
Vijayaha or Vijayoho?
Vijayoho. Vijayaha. Tatra Shrihi Vijayaha bhutihi.
Vijayaho
bhuti.
Acha.
Vijayoho bhuti also will come.
Okay.
Nitir matir mama. Nitihi plus matihi mama. Samvadam imam asrausham. Samvadam plus imam plus asrausham. Nashto moha smritir labdha. Nashtaha plus mohaha plus nashtaha. Okay. Nashtaha plus mohaha plus smritihi plus labdha.
What is say karmanya bhirataha?
By following his own qualities of work.
Krishi gaurashya vanijyam.
Farming, cow protection and business are the natural work of Vaishyas.
Vaishya. Swakarmana tamabhyarcha.
A man can attain perfection through performing his own work.
Yeah, he has to be that karmana only he should praise always. Abhyarcha. He should always do puja to his karma. Paricharyatmakam karma. Who's the doer?
For Shudras, there is labor and service to
Labor.
others.
Dhumena nivrat. Dhumena agni nivavrita.
Just as fire is covered by the smoke.
Then last one.
Krishna says, always think of me, become my devotee.
It is called as can you read the word? Not seen? Okay.
Manmana bhava bhaktah
Manmana
matyaji man namaskuru.
Okay.
Mame vaishyasi satyante pratijane priyosime.
Very good. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vishan, Shudranancha. The four varnas. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Shudra, and Vaishya. Dana Mishwara Bhava. Who has got it?
Generosity and leadership are the natural qualities of Kshatriyas by nature.
Kshatriya. Sadosham api natyajet.
Even if one sees defects in them,
In the karma you do, even though the daily karma you have sadosham, natyaj, don't give it up.
don't give it.
Kilbisham. What is kilbisham?
Sinful reaction,
Buddhya Vishuddhya, Vishuddhaya.
being purified by his intelligence.
Brahma Bhuta Prasanatma.
One who is thus transcendently situated at once realizes the supreme Brahman and becomes fully joyful.
Okay. Sarva Durgani.
All impediments.
Sithitosmi Adasande. I told you. I am
I
here
am
standing
now-
without doubts.
I am now firm and free from all doubts.
Good. What are to be given up for Brahma Bhoya? Ahankaram, Balam, Darpam, Kamam, Krodham. Okay, all that. What is the meaning of Sthanam Prapsyasi? To get the
By
gods
his
above.
grace, by his grace, you will attain transcendental peace and supreme
Yes,
and eternal abode.
correct. Yatha Vindati Tasruno. Whatever I tell you, whatever is there, that you listen to me now. How it has to be done, you listen to me. Okay, then the last. So the four types of varna we already described. What are the ways to cross over obstacle? I think you have to read the slokas. Nothing else is there. And all of them, that is, I told you, that's because the Vyoma book, this book gives you the gist of three slokas and the purpose of the slokas. So Adbhutam Romaharshanam is by whom?
Sanjaya felt it.
Sanjaya. Correct. Explain. Drishyami Muhur Muhu. What is Muhur Muhu?
Again and again.
Again and again.
Repeatedly.
So I am rejoicing again and again. What is the last
Sanjaya
sloka?
said
Can
it.
anybody tell the last sloka meaning?
यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम
So this Sarva Dharma Paritaja I have already discussed with you. I will only protect you. Mamekam Charanam Raja. So what are the various names of Arjuna?
Partha, Dhanurdhara.
Keshava.
Then
Keshav is for
Lord Krishna.
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 Arjuna.
Kaunteya. That's commonly he is asking.
Mahabahu.
Dhanurdharaha. Okay.
Kudakesha, no Bagri.
Kudakesha not
Dhananjaya.
in this. Dhananjaya is here.
Dhananjaya.
In this chapter. This I wanted in this chapter.
Okay, Bagri.
Who is doing closing prayer today? Jayanti Bhagini?
Yes, Bhagini. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಭಗಿನಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.